Yes, dear students, hope you are all well. I am NAYAK. I welcome you to Elite Studies. In my previous class, I have taught you two questions from exercise 3.2 and also we have derived how to get the nth term of an AP. It is very important. Now today we are going to do question number 3. We will do 6 questions from this exercise 5.2. So the first question is 3.1 and 3.2. Now here you have to find the missing value. This is an AP. This is an AP. You have to find what will be the value in this square. These are very easy. How to do it, you see. Solution. Here A is 2 given. A is equal to 2 given, isn't it? And here it is A1 means A. First term, second term, third term. And third term, this is A1, or you can say it's simply A. A is equal to 2. And here it is A1, A2, A3. A3 is equal to 26. Okay. Now, what is A3? A3 will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So, A plus n minus 1. Here we don't know D. Okay. So, let us put D is equal to, it is 26. Isn't it? Now, we got the equation. In this equation, A we know. A is equal to 2. So, 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. So, is implies 2D is equal to 26 minus 2 is equal to 24. So, this gives D is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. So, what is this? A1, A2. So, therefore, A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 D. So, what is A? A is 2 plus, and it is 1 into D. D is how much? 12. So, A is equal to 14. So, your answer here will be 14. Clear? Similarly, let us do the second question. Here, A is not given to us, but A1, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Isn't it? Here A2 is given to us. A1, A2. A2 solution. A2 is equal to 13. It is given. And also it is given. So implies what? A2 is 13. Implies A plus 2 minus 1 D is equal to 13. So it gives what? It gives A plus D is equal to 13. A plus D is equal to 13. This is equation 1. Again, so this is A1, A2, A3, A4 is given to us. A4 is equal to 3, it is given. Okay. So, it gives how much? It is given. So, here A4 means A plus 4 minus 1 D is equal to 3. It will give you how much? A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal to 3. This is equation 2. So, if you solve equation A and B, you should remember one thing, dear students. In case of in AP, if you know A and D, you can get the value of any term, isn't it? So, now here to know this thing, you know A and D. And A and D we can calculate from here. There are two equations. So, solving 1 and 2. What we have? A plus D is equal to 13 and A plus 3D is equal to 3. So, simply it is plus, you put minus, it is plus, you put minus, it is plus, you put minus. So, D minus 3D minus 2D is equal to 13 minus 3, 10. This gives us T is equal to 10 by minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So, from 1, A we can get as a 13 minus D. So, it's equal to 13 minus D is equal to minus 5. So, that is equal to 13 plus 5. It is 18. So, you got A and D. Therefore, A, you got this one as, this is A. So, you got this one as 18. Here it is 18. And what will be this? A1, A2, A3. Now, A3 will be equal to A plus 2D. So A is how much? 18. 18 plus 2 into D is how much? D we got as minus 5. Minus 5. So it is equal to 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So here our answer will be 8. You see, 18 minus 5, 3, 13 minus 5, 8, 8 minus 5, 3. So your answer is correct. Clear? Please take this screenshot. Now let us do question number 3.3 and 3.4. Okay. Now here solution. Here A is equal to 5 given. A1, A2, A3, A4. A4 is equal to 9.5. So this is equal to 2 18. A1 19 by 2. Okay. It is also given. So this implies what? A4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. So this implies what? A is how much? 5 plus 3 into D is 9. D is what? Sorry. A plus 3D. D is we don't know. D is equal to 19 by 2. From here we can get D, and once you get D and A is known to us, so we can easily find that. So what we will get? D, 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So it is 2 5 is 10. 19 minus 10, 19 minus 10, 9. 9 by 2. So this gives us D is equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 by 2. Okay, 3 3 is 9, it will cancel, so it is 3 by 2. Now we got A as 5 and D as 3 by 2. See, we got A as 5 and D as 3 by 2. So what is this? A2. Now A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 D, means A plus D. So A is how much? 5 plus D is 3 by 2. So 2 5 is 10, it is 13 by 2. And this is what? This is A1, A2, A3. So A3 will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1D, means 2D. So it will be equal to 5 plus 2 into D is how much? 3 by 2. So 2 cancels, 5 plus 3, 8. 2, 5 plus 3, it is 8. So here you got as 13 by 2 and here you got as 8. Our required answer. So you see 5 plus D 3 by 2. So 5 plus 3 by 2, check. 5 plus 3 by 2 is 2 5 10, 13 by 2. Yes, we got it. And 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Next one will be 13 by 2. This is 13 by 2. This is a 13 by 2. And with this we add what? 3 by 2. 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 by 2 it is coming 8. So it is 8. It is also correct. And 8 plus 3 by 2. So 8, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 8. So 2 8 is 16. 16, 17, 19 by 2. Yes, it is 19 by 2. So our answer is correct. Clear? So now let us do question number 4. Same type. Here solution A is equal to minus 4, isn't it? Given. And A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. And A6 is equal to 6. So it implies what? A6 means A plus 5D is equal to 6. So this will give you what? A is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. So this gives 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So this gives D is equal to 2. Clear? Now you see, we got A and we got D. We can easily get this thing. A, it is A2. So therefore A2 is equal to what? A plus D. This is A plus D. A is how much? Minus 4 plus 2. It is equal to minus 2. And A3 is what? A plus 2D. A is how much? Minus 4 plus 2 into D is how much? 2. So minus 4 plus 4, it is 0. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. This will be just one less than this one, this number. So it will be equal to minus 4 plus 3 into 2. So it is 3 to the 6 minus 4, it is 2. And A5 is 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be A plus 4D. So A is minus 4 plus 4 into D. So 8 minus 4, 4. So these are our 4 answers. Right, student? Please take the screenshot. Now let us do the fifth question, 3.5. So here again the same thing here, solution. A is not given to us, isn't it? But here it is given A2, A1, A2. A2 is given to be 38. So from implies it will what? A plus D is equal to 38. This is equation number 1. And here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Now A6 again, A6 is equal to minus 22. This is actually given. These are given. Okay. So here it implies what? A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now by solving equation 1 and 2, we will get the value of A and D and we will get it. Solving equation 1 and 2. What is 1? A plus D is equal to 38. And what is 2? A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. So it is plus, it is minus, it is plus, it is minus, it is minus, it is plus. A cancels. Now D minus 4D is equal to 38 plus 22 plus it will be 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this gives D is equal to minus 15. Okay. Now you have got it. A we got. Now A we don't know. So from 1. From 1, A is equal to what? 38 minus D. 38 minus D. So it will be 38 minus of minus 15. Minus of minus 15. So it will be what? It will be plus 8, 5, 13, 3 carry 1, 3, 4, 1, 53. Clear? Now it is easy. So you got already A you got. A you got as 53. Okay. Now you know A1, A2, A3. A3 will be what? A3 will be equal to A plus 2D. A is how much? A is 53. 53 plus 2 into D is how much? Minus 15. Minus 15. So it is equal to 53 minus 30. So it is 23. No, sorry, 23. 23. Clear? This is A4. A1, A2, A3, A4. We need to get A4 and we need to get A5. A4 is how much? A plus 3D. And A5 will be how much? A plus 4D. So it will be A is how much? 53 plus 3 into minus 15. It is a 53 minus 45. So how much? 8. It will be 8. Here it will be 53 plus 4 into minus 15. So it will be 53 minus 60. So it will equal to minus 7. Okay. So these are the 4 answers. Take the screenshot, please. Now let us do question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? The AP is given to us. First term is 3. And if you see the common difference, 8 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. 18 minus 13 is 5. No need to only one pair, checking of one pair is enough. Because since it is already in AP, so the common difference will be same. 8 minus 3 is 5. So A is given, D is given. Now you have to find which term of the AP. This is the first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18. Similarly, which term will be 78? Okay, which term means we have to find n. We have to find n. Solution. What is given to us? A is equal to 3 given to us. D is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, let the number of n with the an. So an you have to find. What is that? 1, 2, 3, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 78. So here given an is equal to 78 given, and n we have to find it out. Which term? This n we have to find out. It may be 15th term, 16th term, 18th term, 20th term. Okay, so that you have to find out. You have to find the value of n. Now since there are 3 given, okay, there are 3 variables given, fourth one can be easily found out, because in the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. As I have told you in the previous class, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 variables. Out of these 4 variables, you have to know 3 variables before n, so that you can find the value of the 4th variable. See here, a is known to us, okay, d is known to us, n is known to us, only n is not known to us. So we can easily calculate the value of n from this equation. Just to substitute, n is equal to 78 is equal to, a is how much? 3 plus what is n? N we don't know, n you have to find it out. N minus 1, d is how much? 5. Okay, so it gives how much? 78 minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. So it implies n minus 1 is equal to 75 by 5, that is equal to 15, isn't it? So therefore it gives n is equal to 1 plus 15 is equal to 16. So in this, the 16th term, the value of the 16th term is 78. Okay students, it's very easy. Please take this screenshot. Now let us do question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. You have to find the number of terms. This is the first term, second term, third term, and this is the last term. Okay, this is the last term. So there are how many terms? This is a finite AP. So how many terms are there in this AP? This is again a finite AP. So you can refer to my previous videos. What is the difference between finite AP and infinite AP? Okay, so this is a finite AP. So in this case, you have to find the number of terms, because in a finite AP the number of terms are fixed, whereas in the case of infinite AP the number of terms are not fixed. Clear? This has been already taught in the earlier classes. So let us now here solution. Here you have to find n, the number of terms. How many number of terms are there in this AP? Where first term is 7, then here the common difference is there. First term is equal to 7. D, the common difference, is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. And this an has been given to as 205. This is sometimes called as last term. You can write as L also. Okay. So here, now you have to find out n. Very easy. It is just like the previous question only. Only the way of representing the question is different. So here, using, so we know an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So we can write directly here. You can write like this way also. So d is equal to, what will be n? An minus a by n minus 1. You can do like this way also directly. That gives what? An is what? 205. 205 minus a is how much? 7, and n is how much? Oh, sorry. You have to find actually, and d is given. Sorry. So it gives, implies what? It implies, so we did n minus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to n minus a by d. Okay, so this gives n minus 1 is equal to an is 205 minus a is 7 and d is 6. So it gives n minus 1 is equal to, this is 15 minus 7, 8, and this is how much? 9. So it is 9 and it is 198 by 6. So it gives you how much? 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18. So it gives n is equal to 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. So you got it. So there are 34 terms in this AP. Now let us do question number 2, 5.2. So here A is equal to 18, isn't it? And D is equal to 15 half minus 18. So it is what? 15 minus 18 plus half. So it is equal to minus 3 plus half. So it will be equal to how much? 2 minus 3 minus 6. So minus 5 by 2. D we got, A we got, D we got. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 2. A and D. From here. Now AN is given how much? AN is equal to minus 47. We have to find N is equal to what? So using say AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. We get what? N minus 1, we find N. N minus 1 is equal to AN minus A by D. So AN is what? Minus 47. Minus A is what? 18. And D is what? D is equal to minus 5 by 2. So it is equal to how much? 8, 7, 15, 5 carry a 1, 4, 5, a 1, 6. It is minus by minus 5 by 2. So this cancels 5, 13 ja, okay, and into 2, it will be 26. 2 will go up, and 5, 13 ja, 13 is 26. So therefore here N is equal to 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. Okay, we have got the answers. Clear? Take the screenshot please. Now let us do question number 6. Now you have to check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Now here the question is somewhat different. Here what we will do, here A is given, D is given. Okay, how many number of terms is it? It is infinite AP. It is given infinite AP. But in this infinite AP, we want to know whether minus 150 is a term in this AP or not. So this question is a bit different, but this question is very easy. What we have to do here, we have to find N. Okay. Now, while finding N, if N comes out to be positive, because as I have told you already, N must be natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. It cannot be negative, it cannot be fraction, it cannot be irrational. Okay. So if N comes out to be positive, then we will say that yes, 150 is a term. If N comes out to be negative or 0, then or a fraction 1.2, 1.0 like that way, so then it will not be a term in the AP. So what is given to us? A is given to us 11, common difference given to us 8 minus 11 minus 3, and AN is given to us. So we have to find N. So let us do it. What is that? A is equal to 11 given, D is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3, AN is given to be minus 150. So you have to find N. Questions are like that way only, but only the pattern is different. Okay, you have to find N. And if N comes out to be positive, then it is a term in the AP. If it comes out to be negative, then it is not a term. Now here what we can do? AN is how much? This is 150. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. We need to find N. So make it N minus 1 will be equal to what? AN minus A, AN minus A by D. Okay. So this gives N minus 1 is equal to what is AN? AN is minus 150. Minus what is A? A is 11. And what is D? D is minus 3. So it comes out to be minus this 1, 5, we have 1, 6 and a 1. Minus 161 by minus 3. So it is 161 by 3, and this gives N is equal to 1 plus 161 by 3. So 3 1 is 3 and 164 by 3. So now see, it is not divisible. Since N is not a natural number, so therefore minus 150, it is coming out to what? It is coming out to 3 5 is 15, 1 is 14. So 3 4 is 12 point something is coming, isn't it? It It is coming like this, 50 point something. Okay. So therefore, it is minus 150 is not a term in the given AP. Okay, students. Though it is positive, but it is not a natural number. 164 is not divisible by 3. So it is coming out to a fraction. Since n is not a natural number, n is a fraction. N is a fraction. So therefore, minus 150 is not a term in the given AP. I hope you have understood. Please take the screenshot. And let us do question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Yes, this question is somewhat different. Nothing is given to us, you see. Nothing is given. A is not given. The AP is not given at all. But what has been given? You see, you have to find the 31st term. You have to find the 31st term of an AP. Means you have to find out A31. You have to find A31. So A31 is what? A31 is equal to A plus 30D. So to get the value of A31, you have to know the value of A and D. But AP is not given to us. Okay. But what has been given? So instead of AP, they have given the 11th term they have given. 11th term has been given. Okay. And the 16th term has been given. Now you have to find the 31st term. So from these two given quantities, we will find the value of A and D. And after getting the value of A and D, we will put in this equation and get the value of A31. Okay. So this is the formula behind it. So how to do? It's very easy. Now you see. What is that? What is that? A11. A11 is equal to 38. It is given. Isn't it? It is given. So implies what? A plus 10D is equal to 38 because 11 minus 1, 10D. This is equation 1. Again A16. A16 is given to be 73. So A16 means what? A plus 15D is equal to 73. It is equation number 2. Now we have got, as I told you, we have got the value of, we have got two equations. So solving 1 and 2, what we will get? A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is equal to 73. You do it. Plus it is minus, plus it is minus, plus it is minus. A minus a cut, then 10 minus 5 minus 5D will be equal to minus 5 and it is 2. So it is 5. 73 and 38. It is 5 and it is what? How much it is? 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 8 13. Okay. So it becomes 35. So it gives us D is equal to minus 35 by minus 5. It is equal to 7. You got it? Now if D is equal to 7, from 1 we get, from 1 we get A is equal to how much? 38 minus 10D. 38 minus 10D. So it is equal to 38 minus 10. D is how much? 7. So it is equal to 38 minus 70. So it is minus 8, 9, 10, 2 and it is 6 minus 3, 3. We got A. Okay. Now we want to get the value. Now we want to get the value of A. So A31 is equal to what? A plus 30D. So A we got it here. A how much? A is minus 32. Minus 32 plus 30 into D is how much? 7. So it is equal to minus 32 plus 210. Clear? So it is a 210 and 32. So it is 8 and is 7. It is equal to 178. The required answer. Okay, students. Take the screenshot, please. Now let us do question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay. It is similar to question number 7, only little bit of difference. Here what is given to us? N is equal to 50. It is given to us. The number of terms in AP. Okay. It is infinite AP consisting of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Means A 3 is equal to 12 given to us. And the last term means it is equal to AN. And the last term is 106. It is sometimes called L also. Last term is 106. So these are the given thing. We have to find A. A29 is equal to what? A29 is equal to what? A plus 28D. So neither A is given nor D is given. So we have to find out that from these given conditions. So now you see now. A3 is equal to 12. What it gives? It gives A plus 2D is equal to 12. This is equation 1. Again AN is equal to 106. AN, so AN means what? There are 50 terms. So AN is equal to, there are 50 terms. AN is equal to 106. Here there is a trick, you see. There are how many terms? 50 terms. So this is A50. So this will be what? 106. And AN will be what? A plus N minus 1 D. Isn't it? A is equal to N minus 1 is equal A is equal to N minus D is equal to 106. So here A we don't know, but N we know it is 50. N we know it is 50. So A plus N is 50 minus 1 means 49. D is equal to 106. It is equation number 2. Now yes, the very next step is to solve for A and D, and you get it. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. What is A plus 2D is equal to 12 and A plus 49D is equal to 106. It is minus and it is minus. Cancels. It will be minus 47D will be equal to what? Minus. It is 106 and it is 12. So it is a 4 and it is 9. So it is a 94. This gives D is equal to 2. Okay. So from 1 we get, A is equal to 12 minus 2D. So 12 minus 2D. D we know, so it is equal to 12 minus 2. D is how much? 2. So it is equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. We got A is equal to 8 and D we got as 2. So now A29, we want to find the value of A29. So now A29 will be equal to A plus 28D. So what is A? A we got as 8 plus 28. D is how much? 2. So it is equal to 8 plus 2 is 16, which is 4 and 5. So it is 8, 6, 14 and 64. This is our answer. Take the screenshot please. So dear students, this is all for today. So I will see you in the next class with some other. There are how many questions? Now this is question number 8. So there are 20 questions. So still we are left with 12 questions, and that will be completed in the next 2 classes. So I hope you have understood it. So till then, enjoy maths, enjoy life, and again I will request you, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe me. Clear? Thank you.